dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to know if someone just hides his or her stories from you on Instagram. So also you can check this thing by creating a new account if account of this user isn't private. So you can also just check in another account if you see a round circle. Red circle near username, so it means that user just add story. So if you check this thing and you see on one from one your account different account, fake account, that this user just add story, and from your account you won't see that he or she just add story, so it means that this user just hides you from um, viewing his or her stories. Also, you could find in Google anonymously stories Instagram and just check there if this user adds stories, and just check like this, that if he or she just adds stories and you won't see the story, so it means that this user just hides you from viewing his or her stories. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.